Class 4 Maths Lesson 3 Multiplication Practice Quiz. Question number 1. 659 into 30 is equal to dash. Option A 65,930. Option B 30,659. Option C 19,770. The correct option is option C 19,770. Let's see how. The places thousand, hundreds, tens and ones. Now the first number 659. From the second number only 3 the tens place number is to be considered for the multiplication to make it simplified. As in its ones place there is 0, we can include that 0 in the final answer. Let's start the multiplication. 3 nines are 27. From this, the ones place 7 is to be written in ones place. The remaining 2 is to be written as a carryover in tens place. Now, 3 fives are 15. This 15 is to be added with the carryover 2, so 17. From this, the 7 is to be written in the 10th place. Now, the remaining carryover 1 is to be written in the hundreds place. To avoid the confusion, the previous carryover is to be cut. Now, 3 6 are 18. This 18 is to be added with the carryover 1. So, 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. 19 we should write at the left end. Now, the product we should write. Product is equal to, along with the answer of this multiplication, we should include 1 0 from the second number's ones place. So the final answer is 19,770. The next question, 100 into 10 is equal to 10,010. Is this true or false? Option A true, option B false. The correct option is option B false. Let's see how. 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. But in the question it is wrongly given. So the correct option is option B false. Next question. 569 into 1 is equal to 569. Is this true or false? Option A true, option B false. The correct option is option A true. How? According to the properties of multiplication, any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself as the product. So the correct option is true. Next question, 245 into 0 is equal to 245. Is it true or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct option is option B, false. How? According to the multiplication properties, any number or numbers multiplied by 0 gives 0 as the product. But here it is wrongly given 245 into 0 is equal to 245. It's wrong. It should be 0. So the correct option is false, option B. Next question. 304 into 28 is equal to dash. Option A, 30,428. Option B, 8,512. Option C, 28,304. The correct option is option B, 8,512. Let's see how. First, let's write the places. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now let's write the first number 304. Next the second number 28. Multiplication symbol. Then let's start to do the multiplication. Let's start with the ones place numbers first. So 8 fours are 32. In 32, 2 is to be written in ones place and the remaining 3 is to be written as a carryover in tens place. Now 8 zeros are 0. So 0 is to be added with the previous carryover. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. This 3 is to be written in tens place. Now 8 threes are 24. This 24 is to be written in hundreds and thousands place respectively. Now we have to leave the ones place, or we can write 0 in ones place in the next line. I am writing here 0. Next we have to start with the second number's tens place number digit. Now 2 fours are 8. 8 is to be written in tens place of second line. Now 2 zeros are 0. This 0 is to be written in next place. Now 2 threes are 6. This 6 is to be written in next place. Now we have to add these two lines. How to add? Now 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 3 plus 8 is 11. From this 11, 1 is to be written in the answer place and the remaining 1 is to be considered as carryover. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Next 2 plus 6 is 8. That's all. So the next question is 708 into 80 is equal to dash. Option A, 70,880. Option B, 80,708. Option C, 56,640. The correct option is option C, 56,640. Let's see how. First, let's write the places. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. The first number 708. From the second number, I am going to write only the number 8 as there is 0 in ones place in the second number which is to be included in the final answer. To make the multiplication simplified. Now let's write 8. Let's start the multiplication. We have to start from the ones place digits. So 8 8s are 64. From this 64, 4 is to be written in ones place. The 6 is to be written as a carryover in the tens place. Now 8 zeros are 0. This 0 is to be added with the carryover 6. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6 is to be written in tens place. The next number 8 sevens are 56, which is to be written in the next place. Now the final product is equal to, along with the product which we obtained, we should include 0 from the second number. So the final answer is 56,640. The next question, 70 into 88 is equal to dash. Option A, 7088. Option B, 6160. Option C, 8870. The correct option is option B, 6160. Let's see how. First, let us write the places HTO, and then I am considering the number 88 first for convenience. Next, from 70, I am going to take only 7 as there is 0 in ones place which will be included in the final answer. So 7 into, now let's start the multiplication from ones place. 7 8s are 56. From this 6 is to be written in ones place. 5 is to be written as a carryover in tens place. Now next 7 8s are 56. This 56 to be added with previous carryover 5. Now 56 plus 5 is equal to 61, which is to be written next. Now the final product is equal to, along with the previous product, we should include the 0 from the number 70. So the final answer is 6160. Option B. The next question, 29 into 90 is equal to dash. Option A, 2909. Option B, 2610. Option C, 9029. The correct option is option B, 2610. Let's see how. Let's write the places. First HTO. Next the first number 29. Next let me consider number 9 from the second number. The ones place 0 will be included in the final product, final answer. Let's start the multiplication from ones place. Now 9 9s are 81. From this 1 is to be written in ones place. The remaining 8 is to be considered as a carryover, which is to be written in tens place. Now next number 9 2s are 18. This 18 is to be added with 8. So 18 plus 8 is equal to 26, which is to be written next. Now the final product is equal to, along with the previous product, 261. 0 is to be considered from the second number 90. So the final answer is 2610. So the final option is option B, 2610. Next question. The product of the largest 5-digit number with the smallest 3-digit number is dash. The correct option is option C. How? Let's see. The largest 5-digit number is equal to 99,999. The smallest 3-digit number is equal to 100. Product of those two numbers, 99,999 into 100, which is equal to 99,999. Along with this, 2 zeros from the 100 is to be included at the end. So, the product of the largest 5-digit number with the smallest 3-digit number is, along with the largest 5-digit number, 2 zeros at the end. So, the final option C is the correct one. The next question, 25 into 18. There is a box multiplication given. Fill in the blanks. One box is empty. We have to fill up the empty box. How? Option A, 800. Option B, 40. Option C, 160. The correct option is option C, 160. Let's see how. From the box multiplication, we have to write 20 and 5, 10 and 8. Here 10 20s are 200. This 200 is to be written in the first box. Next 10 5s are 50 is to be written in the first row's second box. Third 8 20s are, we don't know, we have to find out. So let's leave now. Now 8 5s are 40, which is to be written in the second row's second box. Now how to find the empty box? 8 20s are 160. That 160 is to be written in the empty space of the given box multiplication. So 160, the option C is the correct answer.